So this is my bag from Sugoi Mart. New Year's bag. I only just got. And I got. This is a little free gift. What is it? Congrats, I won $10 for experience sets. Whatever that means. And I got a sticker. What have we got? Alright, first things first, we have milk tea Kit Kats. We've got, what is this? What is this? I think it's seaweed crisps. Like tempura, maybe? Yeah, tempura. Snacks. What's this? I have no idea. It's some sort of cheese? I'm gonna have to do a Google Translate on that. I have no idea what that is. What's this? Is it a Shinkansen? I can see a Shinkansen model. Whatever that is. Open. Feels like it's a bath bomb. It is! Is it a bath bomb with a train in it? I think it might be a bath bomb with a train in it. It says marker pen. Oh, I think it's like a little highlighter. And it's a little teddy bear. What if we got something anime related, maybe? Oh dear, I ripped it. There goes the resale value. It's a toy car. Looks like. That's kind of cute. I think it's another bath bomb. With a pen, whatever you call him. I think it's the Sanrio penguin. Forget his name. So I'm set for bath bombs for a while now. I should check the wrapper, see if there's possibilities. Oh, I kind of ripped it up.
Yeah, there's the...
Like little...
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll probably sell this because I have no idea what it's from or is. Looks like an anime. I think it's Demon Slayer. Yeah. What's this? Soap bag or cosmetics bag. Where's the flap? I don't know if it's anything specific.
Demon Slayer?
Oh, it's another Demon Slayer thing. Yeah, it's not. It's sold.
Branded.
So, yeah.
This is
It's just a very simple soap bag sort of pouch. And we got, a Legend of Zelda sticker.
cool.
Ganon.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll keep that. That's pretty cool. And I think this is the last thing. Best thing for last, a pair of socks.
Yep. Are they themed in it or anything? Or
Doesn't look like I think they're just Japanese socks.
Yeah.
You know, those famous Japanese socks.
Yeah.
Unisex size. I don't know if that's within my size range at all. I'll have to check later. Let's see. Always good to get a pair of socks. You never go wrong with a pair of socks. Yeah, they look like they fit me. So, yeah. Not a terrible haul. Maybe not worth £100, but I'm not unhappy with it.